Every day we ask Wall Street's brightest minds to share the word they believe will describe the trading day ahead. Sylvia Jablonski, what's your WEX word of the day and why?
I have a funny one for you. So, conjectural. I think that much of the market activity this week is going to feel conjectural. There's a lot of decisions being made based on sort of fear and uncertainty, and guessing about what the Fed is going to do and whether or not we're going to have a hard landing, whether or not earnings are going to surprise to the upside or downside. And I think a lot of investors are kind of sitting on their hands, and potentially for the wrong reasons.
All right, so we have a lot of big earnings today, Pfizer, Uber, we just listed them off. But you're actually looking at one later this week, Apple, which is obviously the biggest of all the tech earnings. Give us a sense. Give us a sense of where you're putting money in today ahead of those earnings. And what do you expect from those Apple earnings?
Yeah, so in terms of Apple, I think that Apple's actually going to have a pretty good quarter. I suspect that they will anyway. I think that iPhone revenues are going to hold up. And I think that they'll probably tell us that they had some sense of recovery from their services number. So I like Apple. I tend to buy it on the dips. If Ed Chair Powell comes out and speaks in a very hawkish way, we usually see that stock pulling back. It's one of the market leaders. So whenever we get these pullback days, I actually end up picking up some Apple, dollar cost average into it, and I plan to hold it for years. I just think that they're going to participate in so many ways. You have Apple TV, you have the devices, you have potential revenue from ad spend. They're going to play a role in AI. There's just so much that they do. Strong balance sheets, revenue generating company, and tech has actually done a lot better than feared this earnings season so far.
And you're also keeping your eye on tech. You gave us a few ETFs that you're putting money in now ahead of which you believe is going to be an Apple beat. One of them, the XLK, the VGT, and also the triple Qs. Why are you bullish on these in particular?
Yeah, I think, it's sort of the classic why an ETF versus a single stock. So I think that if Apple performs well, it'll give a boost to other tech companies, but yet you get the benefit of Apple. So Apple has about a 20% position or higher in a lot of the ETFs that you just mentioned. And then I think from that, a lot of the other names in there, like the Microsofts and the Googles, will also benefit, and you get a better sort of distribution there on your returns. And I also think Apple could potentially, move the semiconductor stocks, right? Because I think if they have a role in AI, you think about the machine learning and the quantum, and I would look to some of those names as well.